Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. I will start with a simple photo and turn it into a clean etching design. Thanks for all viewers. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.